KeyPlant's team's ability to manage complex design and engineering has been developed over 25 years working in the demanding world of pharma and biotech capital investment projects. Detailed 3D design, optimization, and debottlenecking working tools are used in our projects, like in this aseptic filling project for our customer, Saudi Bio in Riyadh.
Saudi Bio is building a state-of-the-art biotechnology formulation and filling facility utilizing the modular construction concept.
Doing such a project in this part of the world is considered it's a challenge. It is a management challenge, is a know-how, is a business development challenge. There are too many challenges involved doing this kind of projects.
In this project, we interact frequently with the customer, Saudi Bio's project management, as well as their local engineering company during weekly project meetings. The facility layout is based on KeyPlant's modular aseptic solutions design platform. Modular off-site execution is 6 to 12 months faster than conventional execution if managed by a professional and experienced team. Saudi Bio paid a fixed price ex works for the facility. %80 of the work is performed off-site in KeyPlant's workshop. KeyPlant's workshop is designed for lean and green fabrication. The principles are based on fabrication and not construction, which means optimized material and workflows, minimal waste, and dedicated shops for prefabrication within the workshop. Management and supervision is made by in-house employed personnel. The workshop quality system meets international certification standards. We operate with a zero tolerance for injuries, as well as with an environmental focus on green fabrication. All this is a guarantee for high quality and predictability. Long lead time equipment and materials are installed concurrent with the outfitting of the modules. The modules are pre-commissioned, and we leverage testing in the workshop to reduce qualification on-site. KeyPlant's process team joins Groninger's in their Crailsheim workshop for the factory acceptance of the multi-purpose filler. This filler is able to fill pre-sterilized, ready-to-use vials, pre-filled syringes, and cartridges with Saudi Bio's biosimilar products at a speed of up to 25,000 units per hour. After the approved factory acceptance test, the filler is delivered to KeyPlant's workshop for installation. Dr. Abdulaziz Awad, the CEO of Saudi Bio, is responsible for selecting an international engineering company for the turnkey delivery of a state-of-the-art facility for aseptic filling of monoclonal antibodies. He and his team arrive in Sweden to check and approve the facility's readiness for delivery.
We opted for KeyPlant after a thorough review and due diligence of the various constructing companies who are specialized in this field, and their reputation and their expertise in this field has made us choose them.
After approval, the modules are wrapped in protective plastic and covered in tarpaulins prepared for transportation. Lowboy trailers carry the modules to the port in Sweden. The facility is then shipped under deck to the port of Jeddah in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a journey of 25 days. Transported by trailers, the modules arrive to the factory site outside Riyadh.
So here at site, Sudair, Saudi Arabia, 12 modules have arrived. We are preparing the modules for setting right now.
The trailers are parked and the modules are lifted to the ground and stripped of the outer tarpaulin.
During setting, we will lift them on top of each other and then we will skid them into the existing facility.
First of all, we of course need to qualify this area, these modules. And then after that, I would think we will have around 6 to 9 months to have product on the market. And of course, we need to live up to the expectations from the Saudi FDA and follow their regulations.
So having everything delivered from Sweden based on key core proven technologies is definitely an advantage to get fast to the market. And here we have a chance to have a very nice facility that is coming with smooth surfaces and so on that will enable us to be able to produce good products for the people of the Saudi Arabia.
So we are using the latest technology, the latest artworks, and we are using the best qualified people to run the operations. We have excellent and qualified Saudi candidates participating in the technical operation, in management, in engineering.
The goal is to have our facility in Sudair as an IDAS for the evolution of a bio-city in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
The modules are rolled into the facility and connected. Cables are reconnected, clean piping welded together where necessary, and clean room walls, floors, and ceilings are sealed, and all systems are pressure tested. Off-site construction decreases the schedule considerably, considering that work performed in a shop environment is generally 4 times as efficient as and faster than the same work performed in a construction site environment. Remaining installation qualifications and operational qualification of the facility is performed by specialists from key plants, assisted by Saudi Bio's QA staff.